I'm Caroline Up. I'm a member of the Smoky Squad, and I'm going to introduce to you all a solution to academic dishonesty here at the University of Tennessee. We were asked the question, what can the Haslam College of Business do to improve academic integrity among its undergraduate students? After reading statistics and facts about academic dishonesty among college students, our group, Smoky Squad, decided to create an app called Volunteer Rewards. The app will hold students accountable to reduce the amount of academic dishonesty and reward the students who entail academic integrity. The goal for the app is to incentivize academic honesty so that the number of cheating cases will fall and students will grasp a better understanding of the large number of staff members here at the university that are there to help students succeed in the correct ways. In one research project, it is said that 60.8% of 300,000 polled college students admitted to cheating. These numbers were shocking to us, so we brainstormed a way to inform the students at the University of Tennessee on the academic policy, the student success centers, and the many alternative ways to succeed in college outside of the classroom. Now Alden is going to go into more detail about the severity and the
Academic dishonesty is a problem that plagues universities all over the country. The main problem with academic dishonesty is that it gives certain students an academic advantage over all the rest of the students. Whether it be using someone else's work, getting answers outside of a test, or something else, it is apparent that students have found many ways to break honor codes all over the country. According to the International Center for Academic Integrity, 68% of undergraduate students admit to cheating on tests and/or written assignments. Academic dishonesty allows students to unjustly earn credit for something that they are not responsible for. Not only is academic dishonesty unfair to the teacher and the integrity of the course, but also to all the other students participating in the course. If one student decides to cheat and another student does not, the honest student is put at a disadvantage that could be detrimental to their success in the course. With the rise and development of technology, students have easy access to many modes of academic cheating. Smartphones, laptops, tablets, and smartwatches are just a few examples that allow students to be able to access the internet. Accessing the internet creates easier ways to find answers and other people's work. Easy access to the internet has created an atmosphere that permits cheating and makes it seem that it is all right. One study shows that 85% of college students believe that cheating is necessary to get ahead. This is a major problem in today's society and colleges all over the country. Next will be Carter Spence talking about our app and how it will work.
Thanks, Alden. So my name is Carter Spence. I'm going to tell you guys how the app will work. So we want to make sure we have a user-friendly interface because if the app is not easy to use, obviously students will not use it. So we're kind of basing our app off the Pockets Points app. So the Pockets Points app is kind of an app that tracks how much time students are spending on campus. So kind of same idea. So I want to have a GPS location with the app to actually ensure that the students are in class. So with that, you want to have like a student putting the timer on, they're throwing their phone in like a backpack, and then watching TV instead of actually being in class. We want to make it easy to track how much time you're not spending on your phone. So as soon as you open the app up, we're going to pop up to like a timer like you see there on the left screenshot. Just kind of press start and then throw your phone in the backpack, and then it's easy to go. We also want to have the ability to count how many times you pick up your phone. So it's similar to like a Life 360 app when you're driving. It actually counts how many times, like check the time, check your notification, that kind of thing. So we want to actually have statistics so students actually can improve upon and see how they can improve their time spent on their phone. We also want to have a map feature that shows the closest student resources to you. So we're kind of basing that feature of the app close to like the Veo Ride and Ride Scooter apps. So you can see like the closest resource to you. You can click on that resource on the map, and then you also be able to see like the hours, what they do for you, and then how you can use that student resource to its full ability. So now I'll talk about rewards. So we want to be able to have the students compete with each other in the class because if there's a competition involved, students are more likely to do this. So we want to have a Vol Shop voucher. So a Vol Shop voucher instead of like a Vol Shop gift card because we cannot give you monetary value to stuff. So let's say the voucher would be like for a free t-shirt or a free Nike sweatshirt, that kind of thing. We also want to get the professors involved with this. So let's say students be able to, if they don't spend much time on their phone, the professor can give them like a drop quiz grade or a free homework grade and that kind of thing. And we want to make sure the rewards are updated weekly to kind of maintain that student interest. Because if you don't update the rewards, then students will actually get bored with the system, and we don't want that to happen at all. And then we're kind of having, you can kind of see on the screenshot right here on the left, that we want to have students kind of compete with each other, because the competition, like I said before, will make that a lot more fun for students. So kind of want to have like tiered rewards. So top 3 students will get like a Nike sweatshirt from the ball shop, and then like top 10 will get a job quiz grade, that kind of thing. So this will make it fun for the students, even though it will be beneficial for them, but we just want to make it fun for us students no matter what. Thank you, and I'll pass it over to Dawson.
Thanks, Carter. I'm going to be speaking on some of these solutions of our app. Now, phone usage is actually shown to be a major cause of academic dishonesty. In a 2013 article by Lev, Barkley, and Krupinski, they showed that increased phone usage is actually increases the likelihood of academic dishonesty. Now, it may seem counterintuitive that we are using an app to decrease phone usage, but it's exactly that. It rewards for decreasing the amount of usage of cell phones, especially within the classroom. Now, additionally, we could see an uptick in the use of campus resources, especially within the Haslam College of Business, where this is first going to be implemented. So this means more people attending the Center for Career Development, or even smaller things like the Business Communication Studio. Lastly, students and professors can be motivated by competition and incentives. Professors can use this in their classrooms, especially smaller classrooms, to incentivize their students. And say a student has a certain amount of points on the app, and they can redeem that for maybe a single point of extra credit, nothing too drastic. But still, to be able to get a relationship with the students and to be able to build them up and create an environment where they want to learn in an honest way. Next, I'm going to be speaking on the app rollout. Now, this will be introduced to incoming College of Business students during their orientation before they arrive on campus in the fall. Current students can begin using in the next academic term, where we will all be on campus, that being the fall of 2020. This summer, professors and student resource centers are going to be receiving training on how to use the app best to their advantage, as well as how to redeem the rewards that are on the app. In the case of the student resource centers in places like the Ball Shop and different places around the campus.
Thanks, Dawson. Hi, my name is Sydney Beck, and now that you know about our app, you may be wondering, why should volunteer rewards be implemented? Volunteer rewards is an opportunity for Haslam business students to better themselves academically and personally. The app will incentivize and persuade students to practice academic integrity, and in turn, students will not only excel in the classroom, but in their own character as well. With the help of volunteer rewards, we expect the following results: a rise in class attendance rates, more students will take advantage of educational resources offered at UTK, and in result, a rise in academic integrity amongst Haslam students. Volunteer rewards will reduce academic dishonesty by increasing student engagement. If a student feels confident in the materials learned, he or she will feel less inclined to cheat. By encouraging students to eliminate their phone use during class, they will be more present and focused on learning. Students who may still need additional clarification on the material being taught or have other academic needs will be rewarded for reaching out to UTK's educational resources. With the elimination of phone usage and increased student engagement in and out of the classroom, students will feel confident in their ability to succeed and less inclined to submit to academic dishonesty.